Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a triangle puppet. Let's start drawing. First, I draw the shape of triangle like this. And I divide the hole with lines. Trying to draw and paint with me. And I draw a small circle in all lace. Like this. Keep drawing circles. I'm going to paint with the colors of rainbow. Great job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. I start with red at the top. The second is orange. Yellow. I love drawing and painting a triangle. Green. Blue. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Purple. Amazing. It looks so great. See you on the next video.